In the city of Da Nang, Vietnam, there's a bridge unlike anything else on Earth. Every weekend, crowds gather along the Han River for a show that feels straight out of a movie. As the sun sets, the lights dim, and suddenly, a massive golden dragon roars to life. Flames burst from its mouth, lighting up the night sky. Then, just as the cheers rise, it sprays water into the air, shimmering under the city lights. This is the Dragon Bridge, or Co Rong, Vietnam's most famous modern landmark. Stretching more than 600 meters across the river, the bridge connects the city's international airport to the beautiful beaches of Mai Kay. But it's not just a road. It's a symbol of Da Nang's transformation. When it opened in 2013, the city was changing fast, evolving from a quiet coastal town into one of Southeast Asia's most dynamic destinations. The dragon was chosen as the centerpiece because, in Vietnamese culture, dragons represent strength, prosperity, and good fortune. Every part of the bridge was designed with that meaning in mind. Its head faces east toward the sea, a direction believed to bring good luck. The body arches gracefully across the water, lined with more than 2,000 LED lights that glow gold at night. And when the fire show begins on Saturday and Sunday evenings, you can feel the energy of the entire city come alive. Tourists line the riverbanks with cameras ready, and locals bring their families to watch. It's not just a spectacle, it's a source of pride. The bridge has become the heartbeat of Da Nang, a reminder that tradition and modernity can coexist beautifully. Beyond the fire and lights, the Dragon Bridge is also an example of Vietnamese innovation. It was built by local engineers, funded entirely by the city, and quickly became a national icon. It's more than just infrastructure, it's identity. Standing there, watching the dragon breathe fire into the night, you can't help but feel something deeper. A sense of renewal, of confidence, of a country embracing its future while honoring its past. So if you ever find yourself in Vietnam, come to Da Nang on a weekend night. Stand by the river, feel the heat, hear the crowd cheer, and witness the dragon that breathes life and fire into the heart of the city.